Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a landing page on GoHighLevel. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and go to GoHighLevel website. Once there, log into your account and you will be on dashboard of GoHighLevel. Once here, go to the Sites section. Here you'll find all the tools you need to create beautiful conversion-optimized landing pages. Click on New Funnel to begin the process of crafting your landing page. When prompted, choose Blank or From Templates to start your landing page from scratch. This gives you complete control over the design and content of your page. Click Continue, and then you will be taken to a screen where you can select a template. Select one that matches the vibe you're aiming for with your landing page. After selecting your template, click Continue once more, and you'll be whisked away to the page builder. This is where your vision comes to life. The page builder on GoHighLevel is intuitive and packed with powerful features that allow you to customize your page to meet your exact needs. Whether you're looking to adjust text, images, buttons, or forms, everything is just a drag, drop, or click away. Once you're satisfied with how your landing page looks and feels, take a moment to preview your work. GoHighLevel offers a preview feature that enables you to see your landing page exactly as it will appear to your visitors. And that's it. So that is how you can create a landing page on GoHighLevel. So that's all for this video. Thanks.